back with this piece of shit. So we got the 330. I've got the lock kit. We got the car meet tomorrow. Fuck. I took one of the hubs out. It was piss. To be honest, it was a cunt. But we got it out. It's gonna go to the bin. Now we're gonna have to take the lower arm out. Then we put the E46 extended arm and the hubs, and we should be. So yeah, guys, the lock kit is done. It looks a bit meaner now. I'm just gonna go test it out, see how it feels, see how it drives. If I need to take it off or should I leave it? And that's when the lock kit is installed. It's a bit fucked. Rough. So yeah, guys, I'm just doing this a quick one before I upload the video explanation about the lock kit, because one wheel seems a bit wonky, but it's like this at the moment. I straightened it out before the meet because my inner tie rods were too long of the E90 ones and I couldn't fit it, and then my 46 ones were shit, so I had to go to Euros. I had to buy new 46 inner and outer rods and adjust them. So I adjusted them, it was all straight, and then after the meet is basically this happened. I've not touched the car since the meet, so but I will adjust it for the next meet so it's all nice and straight. We had the meet. This car runs like a piece of shit. Basically here we hit a walkie fight quite a few times, but it's alright. Everyone's leaving because police turned up. But I'm gonna go for it. So if I get locked up, that would be a good content though. So I'll probably get locked up. Private land, they're gonna take this. So I need to take everything valuable from this. Rest in peace. I think this will be a good content. I'll let Mrs. record. So yeah.